Hi everyone, this is Manish from IndusHindi.com, and today we are talking about Hindi imperatives. So let's begin. Imperatives are the form of the verbs which convey commands and requests. For example, go to the school. Here, go is a command. Please give me the pen. Here, give is a request. To form imperatives in Hindi, you have to know first the infinitive form of the verbs. All Hindi infinitives have na ending. There is no exception. I am taking two infinitives as example here. The first one is jana is to go, and second one is tairna, to swim. Jana has vowel ending root, like ja is a root which is ending with a, which is a vowel, and the second one is tairna, which has consonant ending root tair. So we are going to form imperatives. The first one is tu, and the root is jana, the root is ja, which is a vowel ending tu ja. In this case, the root itself is a imperative with pronoun tu. Tum, and the root is ja, and we add o to make imperative. Tum jao. And the third one is aap, and the root is ja, we add ie in the root. So to aap jaiye, aap jaiye. We will take the second example, the second infinitive, which is tairna, which has consonant ending tu tair, and the second one is tum, we add o in the root, tum tairo, and the third one is aap, and the root is tair, and we add ie to make imperative aap tairiye. So here you have to keep in mind one thing: when a verb root ends with consonant, you have to add the diacritic, the matra form of o with tum and ie with aap. So you no need to write full form of o and ie. Let's see some example sentences. Tu kitab pad. Here padhna is a infinitive and the root is pad, and with tu, root itself is a imperative form. And the second one is tum nacho. Here nachna is a infinitive, nach is a root, and the imperative form we add o with tum, so that's why it's tum nacho. And the third example is aap yahan baithiye. You please sit down here. Here baithna is a infinitive and the root is bat, and the imperative form baithiye we use ie, and the matra form of ie, the diacritic ie. I hope you understand how to make infinitive to imperatives. Next part of this video we will discuss later. Until then, goodbye.